Imagine this. It's 7 a.m. You're still in bed, half asleep, but your day is already unfolding. Your AI assistant has rescheduled your first meeting because it noticed a traffic jam on your usual route. It's also drafted a quick apology email for you, polite, professional, and somehow sounding just like you. Meanwhile, your smart coffee machine brewed the perfect cup of coffee, timed to your usual wake-up pattern. All of this, and you haven't even opened your eyes yet. That's a snapshot of where we're heading with AI, specifically the merging of generative and agentic AI. These two technologies are quietly teaming up to make life easier, more efficient, and sometimes downright magical. But what's the difference between them, and why should you care? Let's break it down.
So first up, we've got Generative AI, the creative one in the family. This is the AI that writes essays, designs logos, generates music, and even draws pictures of cats riding skateboards. It's all about creating stuff, using patterns and data it's been trained on. Think of it like the imaginative artist in your group of friends, the one who's always coming up with new ideas, but probably needs someone else to organize the actual plan.
But generative AI has one big limitation. It's reactive. It waits for you to give it a prompt. Want an essay? You have to ask for it. Need a to-do list? It's not going to write one unless you specifically tell it what you need. Now, enter Agentic AI, the project manager of the AI world. This is the AI that doesn't just wait around for instructions. It observes, plans, and acts all on its own. It can make decisions, take initiative, and execute tasks autonomously. For example, your self-driving car, Agentic AI, your smart home adjusting the thermostat based on the weather, Agentic AI. The AI that notices your fridge is empty and orders groceries? Yep, you guessed it, Agentic AI. It's like that friend who doesn't just suggest dinner plans but books the restaurant, orders the food, and gets you an Uber home afterward.
Now here's where it gets really interesting. Generative and agentic AI are starting to team up. They're no longer just working in isolation, they're becoming a power duo. And this is where we start to see the real magic happen. Take that morning routine we talked about earlier. Generative AI wrote the email. It knew exactly how to phrase it to sound like you. But agentic AI made the decision to send it, based on what it learned about the traffic and your schedule. It's like they're collaborating, one creates, the other acts. It's like having a brilliant architect and a skilled contractor on the same team. One designs the blueprint, the other builds the house. Separately, they're great. Together, they're unstoppable.
So, how does this actually impact your day-to-day life? Here are a few examples. At work, generative AI writes your reports, agentic AI schedules your meetings, and even decides the best time to send that email to your boss. At home, generative AI suggests recipes based on what's in your fridge. Agentic AI preheats the oven and orders the missing ingredients. In health, generative AI analyzes your fitness data and generates a personalized workout plan. Agentic AI schedules reminders and adjusts your plan based on your progress.
Of course, it's not all rainbows and perfectly brewed coffee. As generative and agentic AI merge, we're facing some big questions. How much control are we comfortable giving to machines? What happens if an AI makes the wrong decision? And who's responsible when something goes wrong? Let's not forget privacy either. For AI to act autonomously, it needs a ton of data. Your data. Are we trading convenience for control? It's a question we'll all have to wrestle with as these technologies evolve.
So, here's the big picture. Generative AI is the creative thinker, agentic AI is the doer, and together, they're creating a future where machines don't just assist, they collaborate. It's exciting, sure, but it's also a little intimidating. The real question is, how do we stay in the driver's seat as these systems become more capable? Would you trust an AI to make decisions for you? Or are you keeping the final say for yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think about this. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the tech that's shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.